Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export Excel data to HTML file with save as command. If you need to export a range of data as a web page HTML file, how do you deal with it? This tutorial will talk about ways to export Excel data and selection to an HTML file quickly. Using the save as command can save a selection data in Microsoft Excel as a web page HTML file. Select the range you want to export as an HTML file. Click on the File tab. Click on the Save As option. Click on Browse. In the Save As dialog box, choose a location where you will put the file and select the web page from the Save As Type section, and then check the selection in the Save section. Then click the Save button and you will get into the Publish as Web Page dialog box. Click the Publish button and then the selection has been exported as an HTML file, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.